Satan aiti kuvanasikana hurai. Vakomana vekuchechi vanoregerera, vanonzwisisa ende vanochengeta. Mwari akarega ake kurangarira maziva ekusaziva chiroorwa ina Mwari ina handisi Mwari. Kana Mwari achiregerera maziva ekuhura kwenyu, kuno kwaChiwenga muri kutsvagei? Kudenga here kuno? Is this heaven? Ndakati inini kana uida kuziva kuti zvinoshosha zvekuroora munhu akashandiswa izvi, ingomubvunza kuti paaibviswa umhandara zvaiita sei. A boy who has never been married is committing a sin if he marries a defiled woman. The devil says to the boys who are outside the church, sleep with these girls, enjoy yourselves. When they are ready to get married, I will send them to churches. I will cause them to wear long skirts. They will become softer. In 2 years' time, everyone will be in her own matrimonial home. The boys in the church, they are very forgiving. They are very understanding. Uda kuroorwa naPatrick kwete Mwari. Zvekuti wakaregererwa kuhura kwako, enda unotaura naMwari. Patrick akanzi naMwari, unotoroora mhandara. Kana mhandara dzakapera, munodziwana kupi? That's none of your business. Andamboya uzotsvaga mhandara kumba kwenyini. Tozviziva kuti kumba kwenyu hakuna mhandara. This woman is a Lionel Messi in marital matters. She is your ancestor. She can train you everything. She has done it all. They say a woman who has been sleeping around, she comes to church when she is now used gadget. She wears a long dress. She becomes Sister Anna. After 8 months, Brother Rodney, Brother Robson, Brother Patrick, who was working hard to establish a strong foundation for himself, is attracted to Sister Anna's beauty outside. But Sister Anna is rotten inside. She has slept with all manner of men.
Yes.
The pastor says, let's forgive Sister Anna because God forgives the days of ignorance. So the devil knew that there is foolishness in the church. The pastor doesn't know that grace does not extend that far. So the devil says to the boys who are outside the church, sleep with these girls, enjoy yourselves. When they are ready to get married, I will send them to churches. I will cause them to wear long skirts. They will become softer. In 2 years' time, everyone will be in her own matrimonial home. The boys in the church, they are very forgiving. They are very understanding. So we now hear the churches giving the devil a chance to defile marriages by compromising on the standards of purity. Marriage is only available to pure women and pure men. And we said there is a limit to how many times a woman can get married and have a husband. A woman can only be married twice in a lifetime and not 3 times. Once you are married twice, whatever you do afterwards is not a marriage. And for a girl, marriage is for a virgin. That is the right candidate for marriage. This is why in our church, if you sleep with a virgin, we will force you to marry her, because it is an abomination to deflower a virgin and run away. It's an abomination. And then we said, because we are Gentiles, some of these teachings we are bringing up, all of us, including myself, we did not know them. We have people who are blessed by these messages, but they are already defiled. I wish I was a virgin man of God. I defiled myself before this gospel found me. I want to obey God. I'm no longer a virgin. Can't I get married? And so God taught us about rehabilitation of defiled women, rehabilitation of defiled men. They don't get back their virginity, but they are cleansed from the cases of the abominations. They are going to be sanctified. We have a sanctification process, and then they get married. But the people who marry such women should not be boys who have never been married, boys who have never defiled any woman by taking her virginity recklessly. Such women will be married by men who are coming from their own previous situations. A boy who has never been married is committing a sin if he marries a defiled woman. From such a union, godly children cannot be born. Satan aiti kuvanasikana hurai. Vakomana vekuchechi vanoregerera, vanonzwisisa, ende vanochengeta. Ende vakanga vari muchechi magauna vanopfeka vanobva vafitwa. Masteps acho anenge akanaka. Muri pamuchato, zvigevenga zvinenge zvichitosenjerana manudes ake mukadzi. Anza arorwa, gavatora urere dusaka toita sei, ngatichagei rimwe. Kumba kwenyu muroora munyowani. Kubawa atori pa missing roster. Ndiana atora snuka edu. Yes, maita basa mvangeri. Matora snuka edu taichinjana tichitamba. Takazviramba isu. Tikati kwete. Kana mauya kuchechi makahura motobuda pachena tokubatsirai. Tinokupai zvinoenderana nemi. Kuti tikunyeperei kuti mukauya mapedza kuhura tichakurorai tiri kutokunyeperai. Mwari akarega ake kurangarira maziva ekusaziva chiroorwa ina Mwari ina handisi Mwari. Kana Mwari achiregerera maziva ekuhura kwenyu, kuno kwaChiwenga muri kutsvagei? Kudenga here kuno? Is this heaven? Uda kuroorwa naPatrick kwete Mwari. Zvekuti wakaregererwa kuhura kwako enda unotaura naMwari. Patrick akanzi naMwari unotoroora mhandara. Kana mhandara dzakapera munodziwana kupi? That's none of your business. Andamboya uzotsvaga mhandara kumba kwenyini. Tozviziva kuti kumba kwenyu hakuna mhandara. Akauya achitsvaga mhandara kumba kwenyu ndiani? Who came to your father's house looking for a virgin? So we see that in order for a marriage to be pure,
yes,
it has to have a virgin.
Yes.
Kana pasina virgin, kana kuti a former defiled or sanctified, I story marriage. Murukuchaya mapoto. Atuye ikoko manje. Ndakati nini kana uida kuziva kuti zvinoshosha zvekuroora munhu akashandiswa izvi. Ingomubvunza kuti paaibviswa umhandara vaiita sei auroore. Unobva kuti Mwari datibatsira. Baba sister ndakuenda. And this is why we have women who cannot be satisfied by their husbands. Imagine bringing Lionel Messi to a secondary school soccer team, and you are required to mark Lionel Messi. You are in Form 4. This woman is a Lionel Messi in marital matters. She is your ancestor. She can she can train you everything. She has done it all. According to God, the man must teach everything that his woman learns about marriage. And in JRIM, we have a policy that if a man marries a woman who lies that she is a virgin, and then the man says the woman is not a virgin, there is no marriage. The man is not bound to stay with that woman. It's fraud. The woman needs to be arrested. We say to the men, come home, Daniel, and find a virgin. Let this ancestor go with the excuse. Huh? Go to Aunasa there and find Ronaldo. This one is a little boy, he knows nothing. Let him grow with a woman of her own status. Azviita izvozvo.